Now we are starting with very important part, that is trigonometric table. What is trigonometric table? A table which represent the value of some standard angles, or a table which gives all the trigonometric ratios for some standard angles. Now these are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, let us see. As we don't know, at this level we don't know how to derive these values. There are methods, we are going to use this or learn this afterwards, but now till now we don't know how to calculate all these trigonometric ratios. For that we need to use some shortcut method. This is very helpful for you to remember all the trigonometric ratios or to derive trigonometric table. Let us see how to derive. First I am going to name these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We want to calculate trigonometric ratios for these 5 angles. Hence I just counted it as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us divide it by 4. All the numbers, I am dividing it by 4. Now take square root of all the numbers. Whatever number we got, take its square root. Now whatever values are there, these are values of sine for the given angles. See, we know 0 by 4 is 0. Square root of 0 is also 0. Here sine of a 0 is 0. Now next, 1 by 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Hence for this we can write 1 by 2. Now here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Under root of 2. Hence sine of 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Now let us calculate next. For this we can write under root 3 by square root of 4, that is 2. 4 by 4 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Okay. Now see next. How to calculate cos of given angles. Just write all the values whatever we got in reverse order. That is 1 at first. Here again under root 3 by 2. 1 upon under root 2. 1 by 2 and 0. Fine. How we calculated this? First I number these angles as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all the numbers by 4 and take square root of all the numbers. Okay. Now whatever values we are getting, that are nothing but values of sine for all these angles. Fine. Okay. Now here we got 0, 1 by 2. Here 1 upon under root 2. Under root 3 by 2. 4 by 4, that is 1. Write all these values in reverse order. That gives values of cos. Now we know what is tan. Tan of A is nothing but a sine A by cos A. We know this? Okay. Using this we are going to find the rest of the values. Now how to find sine of 0 or tan of 0? Sine 0 divided by cos 0. What is sine 0? 0. 0 by 1, that gives 0. Hence tan 0 is 0. Now similarly, how to find tan of 30 degree? It is nothing but a sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. We have 1 upon under root 3. Now similarly, how to calculate tan of 45 degree? It is sine of 45 divided by cos 45. As both values are same, tan of 45 will be 1. Now similarly, find tan of 60 degree. Sine 60 divided by cos 60. 1 by here 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have under root of 3. Now this is very important to calculate tan of 90 degree. Again tan 90 can be calculated by sin 90 by cos 90, but cos 90 is 0. 1 by 0 is undetermined term, hence here we are writing undetermined term. Okay, or for this we can write infinity. This is symbol used to represent undetermined terms. Fine. Now we know what is cot. Cot is reciprocal of tan. For this we can write 1 upon tan, or here you can use formula cos A divided by sin A, one and the same. Now let us calculate this for 0 degree. How cot is calculated? It is as it is reciprocal of tan. Can I write tan cot of 0 is equals to 1 upon tan of 0? Reciprocal of 0 is undetermined. For this we are writing infinity. Now cot of 30 degree, as tan of 30 is 1 upon under root 3, its reciprocal will be under root of 3. Similarly for 45 degree, reciprocal of 1 is 1, hence cot of 45 is also 1. Again find reciprocal of under root 3, it is 1 upon under root 3, that gives value of cot of 60 degree. Now similarly find cot for 90 degree, it is reciprocal of infinity. See how this infinity is we derived, that is 1 upon 0, its reciprocal will be 0 by 1. We know 0 by 1 is 1. Sorry, 0 by 1 is 0. Hence we can write reciprocal of infinity is 0 and reciprocal of 0 is infinity. You need to note it down. Now similarly let us calculate sec. We know sec is a reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Hence cosec of 0 is 1. Now reciprocal of under root 3 by 2, that gives 2 upon under root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon under root 2, under root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. Reciprocal of 0, infinity, that is undetermined term. Now cosec is reciprocal of sine. Here sin 0 is 0, hence its reciprocal is undetermined term, that is infinity. Now reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon under root 2 is under root 2. Reciprocal of under root 3 by 2, that gives 2 upon under root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. This is all about trigonometric table. This is very helpful because unless we know how to prepare this trigonometric table, we can't substitute its values which are needed to solve questions of next exercise, that is 8.2. Thank you.